Hello and welcome to Fix Home Network. In this video, I will show you how to set up Linksys WRT120N wireless router. WRT120N router setup is very easy, and you can do it yourself. This old Linksys router is now out of warranty. Out of warranty does not mean that it is not working. It may still be in a working condition, and you just need few steps to make it working. I believe you are not setting it up for the first time. It might have stopped working, or there may be connection issues. First of all, check the status of the power light on your router. If the power light is solid, then it can be repaired. If the power light is blinking on WRT120N router, then you need to reset the router and reconfigure it from scratch. Step 1. Check the internet connection. If you are not able to access internet on all the devices or computers, then make sure that you have internet through modem. The internet is coming through your ISP's modem. Connect the main computer directly to the ISP modem and try to access the internet through only modem. If it is not working through modem, then you must need to get in touch with your ISP and get the internet fixed through modem. Step 2. Check connections. Once you are sure that internet is working properly through modem, then check the connection between modem, router, and computer. Modem is connected to internet or WAN port Linksys WRT120N router. Computer connected to any one of the local Ethernet ports of the router, port 1, 2, 3, 4. Step 3. Open the Linksys WRT120N setup page. Your main computer connected with the wire. Open Internet browser. In the address bar, type 192.168.1.1. This is the default IP address of Linksys WRT120N wireless router. It will ask you for username and password. The default username would be admin. The default Linksys router password is admin. If this default username and password is not working, then you will need to reset the router to factory default settings. This will lead into reconfiguring it from the scratch. Once you enter the username and password, you will be on the setup page of the router. Step 4. Make internet connection settings. Linksys WRT120N supports two types of internet services, cable and DSL. We will need to change the internet connection settings. Internet connection settings for cable ISP. On the basic setup page, internet connection settings must be set to automatic configuration DHCP. Click on MAC address clone sub-tab. Enable MAC address clone and click on Clone my PC's MAC. Click Save Settings at the bottom. Now power cycle the network. Unplug power to the router and modem. Wait for 10 seconds. First plug in the power to the modem only. Wait for 10 seconds. Now plug in the power to WRT120N. Wait for 30 seconds. Now try to access internet on the main computer. Internet connection settings for DSL ISP. On the basic setup, change internet connection settings to PPPoE. Type in the username and password given by your internet service provider. Click Save Settings at the bottom. Now try to access the internet on the main computer. Step 5. Wireless network settings. Once your main computer is able to access the internet, then you can change the wireless settings. Go to Wireless tab. Change the wireless network name SSID. This will be the name of your wireless network. Save the settings. Click on Wireless Security sub-tab. Change the security mode to WPA Personal. Enter the security password for your wireless network. This will be the password to connect to the wireless network. Click Save Settings. Do not share your wireless network password. Step 6. Connect to the wireless network. Once your wireless network is ready, try to connect to the Wi-Fi on the laptop or other Wi-Fi devices. You will see the SSID, your Wi-Fi network name. Enter the network WPA key or password and connect. Once you are able to access internet on wired and wireless computer, your Linksys WRT120N router is working properly. For more troubleshooting steps, please visit my website www.fixhomenetwork.com. That's it for now. Thank you for watching video.